this video, we are looking for the value of x. Now, to simplify this or to solve this equation, here we have 64 to the square root of x plus 1 equals to 8 to the power of 1. 64 can be written as 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by the square root of x plus 1, which is equals to 8 to the power of 1. Now, if you look at this carefully, you can see that we are having the base of 8 and the base of 8. And the rule of indices says that if you have a to the power of m equals to a to the power of n, provided you have the same base, then you can easily equate the powers together. And this is what I'm going to be doing right now. So since we have the same base, equating the powers, we have 2 times the square root of x plus 1 is equals to 1. Then from this, we can divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 2. So here, we have that 2 cancel out 2. So on the left-hand side, we're going to have the square root of x plus 1 equals to half. Next is to square both sides to get rid of the square roots. So by squaring both sides, here, I'm going to have the square root of 2 cancelling out this. So here I'm going to have x plus 1 equals to 1 over 4. And by simplification, my x is going to be 1 over 4 minus 1. So solving this fraction, the LCM is going to be 4. So here I'm going to have 1 minus 4. So here we're going to have x to be equals to negative 3 over 4. This is the answer to this problem. To verify if this answer is right, so there's a need for us to check. So for checking, here we have that the problem says 64 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 8. Now let's plug in the value of x into this given equation. So here we have 64 square root of negative 3 over 4 plus 1 equals to 8. We want to confirm this. And this is going to be 64 to the power of 1 over 4. We want to see if the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. 64 can be written as a to the power of 2. While the square root of 1/4 is the same thing as 1 over 2. Now looking at this, we can see that these 2 can cancel out this. And from that, we can easily have 8 to be equivalent to 8, which verifies that truly x is negative 3 over 4. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.